What's up, guys? Today we are going to be making a delicious pulled bison chuck roast. First, we're going to start by covering the chuck roast in yellow mustard to help bond our seasoning and add some flavor. For today's seasoning, we're going to use Traeger's beef rub. Once we are finished seasoning our bison, we're going to toss it in the grill and sear both sides. Now that our chuck roast is seared, we will toss it into a foil dish and add some butter, top it with barbecue sauce, and then toss it on the grill to cook low and slow for the next 2 hours. Now that it's done cooking, we'll use a pair of bear claws to pull the meat apart. And just like that, you've got some beautiful pulled bison chuck roast ready to serve. Follow us for more recipes that you can make better with bison.